Hi everyone, welcome to another video with information technology. In today's video we are going to review this new website. In this website you need to invest $8 and then in return you will be able to get 2.60 USDT or dollars every day. One thing that I really request from all of you is that never ever invest in this kind of website unless you are ready to lose the money you invested into this website. One more thing, always watch the date of the video that I have uploaded the video onto my YouTube channel, and if the date is more than 1 week ago, then I suggest you stop watching the video and you do not invest at all, because these websites, they do not work for more than 1 month. Most of the time they can run away at any times in any date. If the video date is more than 1 week ago, you should not be investing into these kind of websites, okay? Because there is one thing, you will be able to deposit into this website after 1 week or after whatever, like 10 days or after 1 month. But when you try to withdraw your earning, you will not be able to do that because the website will not allow you. It has already become a scam. Now that being out of the way, so click on the link that I have provided you down in the video description box, and then in here you need to give your email address and then give it a strong password, and then repeat that password again, and then you already have my invitation code, so just click on the sign up. Alright, so we will close that and then confirm, click on save, and then we go back. What I'm gonna try is I will deposit 8 USDT, and then I'll be able to instantly withdraw 2.60 USDT from this, and then hopefully if this website work for 1 week, I'll be able to earn around like 16-17 USDT. But let's just click on that, and then the recharge balance is automatically unlocked. Need to recharge, so this is the address. All right, so here as you can see, total balance is 8.80. so as you can see, this has been activated. So now I need to go to the task in order to be able to receive that 2.60. I need to complete this task, so click on to complete. Okay, so it says complete successfully. Now let's click on the completed. This has been completed. Now I need to click on this tab which is called me, and then in here as you can see, my main balance, total balance is 11.40, and then recharge amount was 8.80. so I'll click on the withdraw, and here as you can see, my total balance is 2.60. okay, so I'll go back to my Binance, and then in here I'll click on the deposit, and then I'll click on USDT. Alright, so click on Tron 20 and then copy this address. Alright, once I'm here, I'll click on Tron address and paste my wallet address here. Okay, and then the password, click my password. Alright, so I'll click on 2.60. okay, so 2.60 USDT, all good, and then I'll click on confirm. Alright, withdrawal successful. So now I'm gonna have to wait for this withdrawal to take place, and once it lands in my Binance account, I'll show you the proof as well. Alright, so once again, I would like to mention that most of these videos that I upload onto my YouTube accounts are the videos that if you act quickly and on time, you will be able to benefit. Otherwise, if you are late into these videos, if it's more than 1 week of the videos that I have uploaded, if it is past more than 1 week, then I suggest you should not invest into these kind of websites. Otherwise, any loss that is on your own. All right, as you can see, my USDT right now is 4.32. Just refresh that, and there we go. So deposit was successful. As you can see, the recent deposit was 2.60 crypto, and the date is today's date, and it's 35 past. As you can see the clock on my mobile as well. So this is the new website that I just reviewed and shared with you. Again, for the third time, I would like to mention that if you are watching this video on the day when I upload it, or 1 or 2 days after that, you can still go ahead and deposit into this website. Otherwise, if you're watching it after like 1 week or 5 days or even like 3 days, I suggest that you should not deposit and invest any money into these kind of websites, because they can run away with your money at any time. So if you still want to do it, that the risk is on your own. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos, and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.